Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. Today's video is going to be speed cleaning motivation, so get ready to clean along with me. I hope that you find some motivation to clean today from this video, and let's get started. So I'm just starting things off in the kitchen with putting the dishes away, and then I will be moving on to the laundry.
Have this feeling, haven't felt for so long. Took a hold on me and won't let go. I've been sleeping, caught me off my guard. Cause you're in my space and now I'm so hold me towards you and I cannot fight it. My head's underwater, I try to disguise it. Want you to hold me, though we haven't spoken. I need that something to get me to open. You are only a shot away from me to be my everything. Cause you are only a shot away from me to be my everything. You are only a shot away from me to be my everything. Cause you are only a shot away from me to be my everything. Shot away. Won't let you touch me, won't let you go to my head. Cause I know I'm dealing with the
We only have one clothes basket, so when I do the laundry, I like to pull all of it out so that I can see what all I have that needs washed, and then I separate the colors and the types of clothes, and then that's how I get things started. So I'm not sure how much I'm going to get through today. I have a lot of laundry to do, but I'm going to try to do at least 2 loads, and I'm probably going to have to move on into the next day.
but I'm standing with my heart in your hand, and I'm too deep into win this gamble. Hold me towards you and I cannot fight it. My head's underwater, I try to disguise it. Want you to hold me, though we haven't spoken. I need that something to get me to open. You are only a shot away from me to be my.
So here I am just using a leather conditioner to help condition and keep the furniture clean. I like to do this every couple weeks or so, especially since we have a dog, because he is allowed on the furniture, and I just think this helps keep the leather in good condition. And as you can see to the right of the screen there, my lizards are out basking right now, and so I thought that would be really cute to have them in the shot so that you could see them.
Cause you are only a shot away from me to be my everything.
Hey, from the moment of my opened eye, been looking for a guided light to lead me on my way. Yeah, lost, struggling to make the top. A slipping grip can't hold me up. It's the game of life we play. When everything comes crashing down behind your door, when I hear the sound, you say the word and I'll stay the night. from this moment rolling up. A speeding train can't hold it up. You and I, we lost our way. You cheated, lied, and ran away, and I got stuck with a knife in me.
So I know the table is really cluttered right now, but just try to ignore that the best you can. I've been trying to ignore it even though it's super hard, but we are in the process of going through all of our important papers and just getting rid of what we don't need anymore and decluttering. And so this is kind of a multi-day process. So the table is just going to be cluttered right now, but we are working on getting it cleared off. So I know it really doesn't make things look real clean, but just know that we are in the process of getting all that sorted out.
They won't go away, but still, when everything comes crashing down behind your door, when I hear the sound, you say the word and I'll stay the night. You wouldn't text if you moved on. You wouldn't keep me in your phone unless you know that you.
So this little table where I have the dog's toys, I actually built that for his dog bowls, and I made it too tall. So I thought, what else can I use it for? And I thought it would be perfect for this section because his dog bones were kind of sitting out in the open and we would trip over them a lot and they were just in the way. So this way I was able to put his toys higher up and tuck his bones underneath, and now they aren't in the way at all, and so far it's working out great. So I'm really happy that I was able to use it even though I couldn't put his bowls on top of it.
I'm used to the pain, but baby, don't forget, it's all fun and game until the final step. That's when you overstep. You know
You don't care what people say, people say, people say. I'm going crazy for you, baby. Don't know how you're making me feel this way. What can I say? That's what I like about you. So dangerous. I get this.
So this is actually 2 days later now. I wanted to finish cleaning yesterday, but I had some other things that I had to get done, and unfortunately I just didn't get around to filming. But today I wanted to finish up some of the cleaning that I needed to do, and so I am starting off with my guinea pig cage. You'll notice that as I get the bedding scooped out, there is a very dark spot on the bottom where they go to the bathroom, and I do scrub it, but it's just really stained, and you do have to be careful with what cleaners you use whenever it comes to pets, obviously. So I'm still working on a good cleaner that I can just soak in there and that will really pull a lot of it up, but I do clean it.
When I'm with you, I go all in to lose or win. Real things have to knock 'em down. It's the way we keep our high moving like a hurricane. There will come a time for when we can wash away our sins, settle down, but until then, we're like a
They have these beds made out of material, and I wanted to try putting them in their cage this last time, but I reminded myself as to why I stopped putting them in. They just get so dirty. So I decided that I'm just going to wash them and leave them out, and then whenever they are let out of the cage, then they can use them. But otherwise, I'm just going to use plastic houses.
Wanna hold you close, but you know my mind is torn up. I never thought it'd be like this. We're like a broken record, 'cause we always mess it up. Even though we say we never do that, so here we go, acting like we do. We say things that are not true, but somehow I'm still here.
So it is actually after dinner time now. We wanted to get our evening walk in, and then we had to go to the store. So it's now after dinner time, and I am unloading and reloading the dishwasher, and then I will be scrubbing out the sink.
I read through the games that you keep playing on me. Still I can't get over you. 'Cause when we touch it feels like we're like fireworks that burst into the sky. And then it's all like that, so here we go, acting like we do. We say things that are not true, but somehow I'm still here. I'm addicted to the way you make me feel. I've been trying to get away, but you're like got you close, but you know my mind is torn up. I never thought it'd be like this. I'm addicted to the way you make me feel. I've been trying to get away, but you're like chemicals, chemicals, and I don't know if what we have is even real. Oh, I know it's that you're in my head, like chemicals, chemicals, oh, whoa, oh, whoa, oh, chemicals, chemicals, oh, whoa, oh, whoa, oh, chemicals, chemicals, like chemicals.
Stumbling out of bed, and I still got you in my head. From all those pretty words you said, it's like I'm wasted. Every time I see your face, I'm losing track of time and space. I don't know where I am, it's like I'm wasted. And I won't waste it. And I promise that I will stand by you forever. I can't get you out of my mind. I will follow you wherever, and I won't waste this. I'll follow you, yeah. I'll follow you, yeah. Could you come a little closer now? 'Cause I don't wanna slow this down. My heart is screaming out your name. I'm wasted on you. Here we are, right underneath the stars. So let's get a little reckless. You make me breathless, and I won't waste this. And I promise that I will stand by you.
Well, that's the end of this video. I hope that you got some cleaning motivation from it. And remember to hit the red subscribe button if you're new and you want to see more cleaning videos from me. Once again, my name is Brianne, and thank you so much for stopping by. I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys!